Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make pan-fried barramundi fillets. So let's get started. I've got here 2 barramundi fillets, half a cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste, some black pepper and some oil for cooking. Take your barramundi fillets, sprinkle some garlic powder and some salt on both sides of the fish fillet and rub it well. Now take your flour, add the remaining garlic powder, pinch of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and give it a quick mix. Take one fish fillet at a time and coat it well with the seasoned flour mixture. Repeat this with the remaining fish fillet. To cook the fish fillets, take a non-stick fry pan, put it on medium heat, add some oil and heat it for 2 minutes or until the oil gets hot. When the oil gets hot, add the fish fillets skin side down, put a lid on and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn them over, put the lid back on and cook it for a further 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, which is a total of 6 minutes, turn the fish fillets on their side and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn the fish fillet over on its opposite side and cook it for 1 minute. Take them out, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. I have finished frying up my barramundi fillets. Let me dish it out and show you. My pan-fried barramundi fillets are ready. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.